If the Gmail notifications are not working in your iPhone, then let us see how to fix the issue. Now the first thing that you will do is you will simply restart the phone. Sometimes restarting the phone fixes many of the minor issue. After that, the other thing that you will do is, if you have activated low power mode in your iPhone, then disable this option. Go to settings, scroll down and go to Gmail. Go to notifications. Make sure that allow notifications it is on, and then you have enable all these three options: lock screen, notification center and banners. So enable all these options, enable badge, so that you will be able to see how many notifications you have received for your Gmail account. After that, the other thing that you will do is you will go to settings, you will go to this option general, go to background app refresh, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled this option Gmail. So once you have done all of these things, if still you are not receiving notifications for your Gmail account, then what you do is you will go to settings here, general, go to this option transfer or reset iPhone, select reset and select this option reset all settings. Enter the passcode of your iPhone and then select this option reset all settings. Once you reset all the settings, what happens is no data will be deleted from your iPhone, but if you have made some customizations, that will be removed. The Wi-Fi password will be removed and then you have to re-enter it again. Now the last option for you will be is to remove Gmail from your iPhone and then reinstall it again. If you want to remove the Gmail app, you have to simply tap and hold on this Gmail application and then select remove app and then delete app. And if you have to reinstall, go to App Store and then reinstall the Gmail application. So this is how you will fix the issue if you are not receiving Gmail notifications in your iPhone.